Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to diagnose a problem with the hydronic heating system and how it works. So we start with the thermostat. So basically, your thermostat sends the temperature and then send a signal if it needs a heat to the control board. So the control board then send in a signal to the control valve, and the valve would open, and the valve at the same time would send a signal through the red wire over here to the pump over here, and the pump start running. So the heated fluid will start to circulate, and that will provide the heat to your house. So the most common problem actually is the valve when you do not have heat. So here's how it works. This is what this example looks like, and there's a lever on the top. So when the valve is open, so you can push the lever all the way to the end. So that means the valve is open. Also, if you need to take this off, so you have to push this all the way to the end and then lock into the position like that. And then there's a black lever back here. You have to push that and then pull this whole valve off. So apparently there's some wire connections over here. So you got to remember how to connect it before you take it off. So basically the black wire from the valve connect with the thin red signal wire from the control board. But anyway, so you gotta write it down so you remember how to connect. So the most common problem with a failure actually is the mechanical failure. So that usually is a problem associated with this black plastic component, and that can be damaged. So the valve would turn, but I'm sorry, the motor would turn, but the valve would not open. So here's an example of that problem on my previous valve. So if you look, that there's a square hole at the end, and on this one is completely messed up. Okay, so here is the disassembled valve, and there are two major components. One is this mechanical component and connected with the motor. And like I said, the most mechanical failure is this plastic component, and the motor rarely fails. So if you can get a plastic component, obviously you can fix the valve. And there's a second important component within this assembly, which connects with the red wire over here. So there's this component. It is a micro switch. So this switch actually controls the pump for the hydronic fluid. And this can fail. Also, actually this is the problem actually with this unit. With my second unit, not this unit. So you can obviously buy a component, just this micro switch, from the internet. Let me see whether we'll be able to see the part number. Probably difficult to see. But anyway, so this is how it works. Hopefully that'll help you to troubleshoot your hydronic heating system. Thank you.